Welcome back, remote professionals. We have a new job opening for you today. This is going to be a remote healthcare data entry specialist. This is going to be a full-time position in the USA only, so you do need to live in the United States. As long as you live in here, in this country, you can work from any of the states. You are eligible for this position. This is an entry-level job too, guys. So if you're someone who doesn't have a ton of experience, definitely feel free to apply to this one, okay? Some of the duties that you're going to be performing: you're going to enter data from scanned or processed images into the data capture system, meet the expected hourly production volume goals, maintain quality levels above minimums set by management, increase speed and difficulty of tasks as expected with training and practice. The qualifications: they want you to maintain a neat and orderly workstation, assist with other projects as assigned by management, be prompt and dependable. They want you to be someone who actually attends the job. That would be super helpful. So if you have a record of good attendance, make sure you note that in your interview. And they also want you to be proficient with your typing skills. This is going to be a big one, guys. So if you have not already, before you apply to these positions, guys, like the data entry and things like that, they typically want you to be able to type pretty fast so that you can enter more data per shift. So if you go to Google, just type in, typing speed test. This says 35 words per minute. If you could get to about 45 to 50, I'd bet that's going to put you ahead of a lot of folks if you can get that on your test. And if you go to our community tab, we also put a resource there, I believe a week ago too. Just scroll down a little bit, you should find that. Okay, they'd like you to also have basic math skills, organizational skills, which they stressed a couple times up here, so they definitely want you to be organized, and they want you to be able to complete the tasks and follow up as well. All right. If you like this one, apply on remoteprofessionalnetwork.com, and we'll leave a link below. If you're looking for a different job, check out this latest posting.